Let's play with Barry. What a fun day. Oh no! A huntsman is here to steal an egg of berries. Let's accelerate the truck.
Haha, the egg looks so good in the museum.
Barry's friend is here to rescue the egg. Let's get the egg back to Barry. Barry looks so happy to have her egg back. Let's play with Sweetie Sword. What a fun day. Ouch! The basket just broke and eggs are falling. Click on the eggs to gather them. Great, she's collected them all. Let's accelerate the truck. Great, you just made the right choice. Let's play with Sarah. No way, Monkey just stole Sarah's eggs and ran off. Let's go find the monkey together. without you.